Assalamualaikum and hi, I beat to the lectures. We are from group 9, will be present about our real life problem as an engineering student, which is more focusing on evolutions of designing. In this video, we will present about the problem and current scenario, solution, example, and also applications of our existing software, which is Tinkercad. But before that, I would like to introduce myself and also my group mates. My name is Nur Shamimi binti Yusuf and my metric number is 63541.
Hello, my name is Wan Hafizatul Aini binti Wan Omar Zahdi, matrix number 63860.
Hello everyone, my name is Francesca Meragi Anak Tungkat with matrix number 63222.
Hello, my name is Albert Tengah Anayanchi, matric number 60062.
And Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Amira binti Osman and my matric number is 62211.
Assalamualaikum. I am Abang Muhammad Arif bin Abang Sepani. My matric number is 63003.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Amirul Luqman bin Azwan and my matric number is 63093.
Hello and hi everyone. In this section, I will briefly show you our poster and briefly explain what is inside our poster. All these elements in the poster will be explained later by my group members. So in this poster, we propose and show you guys the problem and scenario that happen in real life, and we also suggest a solution which we propose Tinkercad software as the solution to our problem statement. And then we also show the example on how to use the Tinkercad software step by step. And lastly, we show you guys the application of Tinkercad and where this Tinkercad can be used, and briefly explain and relate it to the real life. And the bottom right on the poster is our group member's name. So that's all for the poster.
I'm going to present about a real-life problem and current scenario. One of the problems that we encounter is limited time frame to create project circuit. Creating project circuit of electronic sensor consume a lot of time because need to run multiple trials and error. After multiple trial error are being discovered and then improvement measures are taken to fix the circuit problem until no issue occur. It is time-consuming work. The more complex the circuit, the more problem may arise from it and thus contribute to the time factor. The second problem is limited budget to buy components for the project. Components such as Arduino are very expensive depending on the brand quality. The better the quality of Arduino, the better it performs in a circuit and contribute to cost factor. Besides, some components are not available in the country and had to be ordered from overseas, and again it will cost some money.
For the solution to the problem, based on the real life problem stated, which are limited time frame to create and limited budget to buy components, we can solve this problem by using Tinkercad as our medium. By using Tinkercad, we can trial and errors as many as we want. With this, we can avoid errors when doing it in the real Arduino. Tinkercad helps us to find the solution to the circuit that we want, and this can make our progress to build the circuit faster without errors to it. Other than that, Tinkercad also is really good and suitable for students because it can save our budget from buying any components that were damaged while building the circuit. As Tinkercad is a simulation that we can use to simulate our circuit, we can see if there are any problems to it before apply it to the real one.
In this video, I will talk about the application of Tinkercad in our real-life engineering problems. Basically, there are three things that can be done using Tinkercad, which is 3D design, circuits, and code blocks. First, we are able to 3D design our own components for our engineering design project, and it also provides us with 3D printing services. Next, using the Tinkercad apps, we can virtually design our own circuit before constructing a real circuit, so that we may avoid as much error as possible in our real-life project. Lastly, the use of code blocks. This helps us design 3D models using draggable block of codes.
So here, I will show you one of the example of circuit diagram that have been built by using Tinkercad apps. So let's say you want to measure a distance by using an ultrasonic distance sensor and Arduino digital input. We have to connect up the circuit by using a breadboard and also use a simple Arduino code to control a single LED. So here is the example of the circuit that we have to set up in the Tinkercad. So for the first one, you have to build up the LED circuit and then add the proximity sensor and then do the coding part, and last but not least, you have to click on the start simulation button in order for you to see your circuit start to work. But before that, you have to make sure that the component that you choose is correct and then connect all of them together and also make sure that your coding is correct. If not, your circuit will not work properly or even not working at all.
I am going to talk about the conclusion of this group project. For this group project, we are asked to identify a real-life problem within our area of study and propose a solution using existing information and communication technology to solve, overcome, or improve the current situation. Our group has chosen Tinkercad software to help engineers or students creating and designing circuits easier, especially in robotics industry. Tinkercad is a very easy to use software which can simulate circuits, and more importantly, it is free to use for everyone who has an Autodesk account. It is also only available online, which can save the storage of one's device. We do not need to download it, and it can be accessed everywhere as long as there is internet connection. Based on our problem, which is students have insufficient money to buy a lot of components without knowing whether the electric components would work or not, Tinkercad can help save money and time because we can simulate the circuits and figure out the components that are needed for the circuit to work. Tinkercad is a very reliable and students can depend on its simulation to confirm the smoothness of the operation of the circuit they want to build. Nowadays, there are a lot of information and communication technology tools that are useful in helping humans in their work of field, and Tinkercad is one of it. The usage of ICT tools that have been developed should be more utilized by everyone to make their project easier.